sergeant just out. You can look at the chevrons for the sergeant now. Inspecting the parade now. Look at the chevrons. Inspection done. Seen out. There's dust there. Good. That's inspection now has been done. I think we also need to revise the standing order. Once an officer is found dead on parade, they should be dancing. Parade done now. Parade done now. They are marching off parade now. Marching off parade. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, marching off parade now.